Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore Rust, a powerful programming language known for its speed, safety, and reliability. Whether you're new to programming or a seasoned developer, Rust is an exciting language to learn. In this tutorial, we cover the basics, what Rust is, how to set it up, and how to write your first program. Let's get started. So what is Rust? Rust is a systems programming language designed for performance and safety, and especially for handling memory. It's open source and backed by Mozilla, making it a great choice for applications like game engines, WebAssembly, even embedded systems, and also command line tools. But this is not an exhaustive list. There are other applications where you can apply Rust. And unlike some other languages like C++ or C or the C language, Rust helps you avoid common bugs like null pointer, dereferencing, and databases. Simply put, it's both fast and reliable. Rustlang website. Just go there and click on Get Started. Just here. Get Started. Rust uses a tool called Rustup to manage versions and tools. So you should follow the instructions here in order to install it on your operating system. So you should just copy this and open your terminal and pass it here. I've already installed it, so I won't do it again. But if you have not already installed Rust, you should do that. So I've already done it, so I won't do it again. And once installed, you should open your terminal and just type rust c -- version, and you should see something like that if you've already installed it. So mine, I have the version 1.83.0. so this is the version I have, and maybe your version will be different by the time you watch this video.
Artlist.io.
Now let's write our first Rust program. Open your favorite text editor. I'll use Z on my end. Z is an IDE which was built with Rust, and it's kind of fast, but you can use Visual Studio Code or any other IDE you are comfortable with. So on my end, I'll use Z. So just open your favorite IDE or text editor, and we're going to create the file for our first Rust program. I'm going to open a folder. Let's see. Let's create a Rust tutorial.
Music licensing reimagined.
So let's create a new file. You can name it like you want, but you should name it. Let's name it main.rs. So this is the extension for Rust files. This is the extension for Rust. Also, let me restart that. Okay.
Artlist.io.
And type this code fn main ln
Music licensing
So you just wrote your first Rust program. So this is a simple Rust program. The if and main here is the entry point, and the printnl is a macro. It's called a macro in Rust, and that's the element that prints the text to the console. So to run it, so just save the file. Just save the file on your text editor or on your IDE, and I'll open a terminal in the folder where the file is located, and we'll just run Rust. This is a Rust compiler, so just run Rust C and you pass the name of your file. So you see the file has been compiled into binary, and in order for us to run the executable, this I'm on MacBook, so you just do that to run the executable, the binary file, and here we see hello world. So this is your first program in Rust. So we'll just end the video at this step. So know that you've written your first program. The possibilities are endless. In future videos we'll dive deeper into Rust features like variables, control flow, and memory management. If you're excited to learn more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what you'd like to see next. Thank you, and see you next time.
Music licensing reimagined.